Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Hi kids, for this month's card kit, I am featuring the designer series paper called A Wash in Beauty. There's a couple corresponding colors with this designer series paper. One is Mary Merlot, which you will see in those little rectangles. The cardstocks that are in your kit are polished pink and balmy blue, and then there's also Blushing Bride in there as well. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm affixing the rectangular designer series paper to the corresponding mat. And I forget about this technique all the time, is just stamping on the cardstock to create your own sort of pattern paper or a subtle design with the same color of ink. So I'm using polished pink here, and the stamp set I chose to use was Dragonfly Garden, and I'm using Stays On ink for the sentiment as well. And the sentiment says, in case you can't read it, "May good things grow all year long." And I felt that it sort of corresponded to the A Wash in Beauty designer series paper. I don't have the collection just yet. I still have to craft on a budget, and I only got a few things, and I have this paper and it's beautiful. Anyway, this is the first card that if you shop with me and use the host code, you will get to put together. I'm putting the sentiment up on dimensionals. Now, when this card kit comes to you, it's just bits and bobs of paper. And what you need to do is add your own stamp set and sentiment that would go well with it. So I'm doing the same technique here by stamping on the cardstock with the same colored ink. It's giving some interest in behind. So I suppose if you wanted to zhuzh this card up a little bit, you can emboss the front of the card with an embossing folder that matches the floral design. You could also just use the cardstock the way it is as a cardstock and then put an additional layer on. That would be fun too. And you could also, if you wanted to, add a whole bunch of different ribbon or like embellishments in the background. I didn't have enough embellishments to go around, so I chose to keep it simple. Not only do my customers who shop with me in this month get this card kit, but so does my team automatically for being team members. So I had to cut a lot. Anyway, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog, and those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.